What's the meaning of big league? Big league. Big league.
Big league. Big league. Big league is an idiomatic expression that refers to the highest level of performance or achievement in a particular field, such as sports, business, or politics. It can also refer to a person or organization that is influential or powerful within their respective domain. For example, a successful executive might be said to be playing in the big leagues of business. The phrase likely originated from baseball, where the major leagues are often referred to as the big leagues. Overall, big league connotes a sense of prestige and accomplishment, and is often used in a competitive context to highlight excellence or success.